As the internet evolves and fintech becomes more and more readily available, it's getting easier to set up shop. If, for instance, I wanted to set up a Forex trading platform that looks legit, I could do it tomorrow and start swindling people out of their money. Likewise, it wouldn't be particularly difficult to set up a bank compared to what it was like 20 years ago. And surely regulations are really going to struggle when it comes to this.
It's a very important point, regulation, and maybe it's the most dangerous point for fintech or for the bank. If you build a fintech and you at the beginning make a very low volume, you can rule the business. But think about a fintech who makes more and more volume and wants to act as a bank. Why this fintech will not be under the same regulation than a bank? It's not clear for the moment. If you want to build a fintech who make exactly the same business as a bank, one day you will be under the same regulation than a bank, so you are not building a fintech. You are building a new bank. I think the good way to make business is to focus on business market who don't request the same regulation than a bank, or to give digital tools and to work with the bank. I'm not sure that the fintech market has seen this point for the moment, and it's a strong way of discussion between us, how to work with regulation.
But it was said that the financial crisis was caused by irresponsible lenders. You don't think perhaps fintech is leaving us exposed in a similar way?
Absolutely not. And I think that fintech and new technology is going to give better way to make finance. Why? Because with internet and technology and fintech, again, maybe one of the greatest achievements is the way to score or to rate the business you are doing. Consumer or corporates can rate the business. That was the big fail of the crisis. The fact was that banks or funds buy things they don't know what is in. That was a big mistake. When you begin to buy or sell things you don't know what is in, and it was the case, you are going to a major crisis. With the fintech technology, you can score with a better level the things, the risk. Because finance, fintech, bank, what is it if you speak about finance? It's credit analysis, it's scoring. That's the way to don't have a new crisis. So it's why we focus a lot on big data and scoring. If we use that, we will achieve great business. If we forgot that funding is credit, yes, it's a big risk.